Hello, my name is Nelly Yamile Moya Fandiño. In the Grade Program Administración de Riesgo, Seguridad y Salud en el Trabajo de la Universidad Militar Nueva Granada. In the presentation Intercultural Project, New York City, located in the country, United States. In the practiced more popular in the sport. We can play American football in the basketball and ice hockey. In the recommendations in the tourism, we can visit Central Park in the activities in the ride the bicycle, in the walk in the park, look at the gardens, watching and appreciate in the wonderful statues. Tourists they can watching statues of liberty. We can walk on the bridge in the Brooklyn, in the enjoying in the day and night in the illumination. We can visit in the skyscraper and look at the wonders in New York. In the famous in the we can in the visit in the Fifth Avenue in the we can buy in the shopping. We can in the visiting in the Trump Tower. We can in the recommendations Metropolitan Museums. In these museums are all in most important in the world. We can the American Museums of Natural History. In the evolution of the dinosaurs and blue world. Souvenirs. The New York we can souvenirs in the clothes and statues of liberty in the halls, points in the Key Enchantment. In the popular foods in the hamburger, hot dogs, in the pretzel, hamburgers in the bread, cheese in the meat, onions, littles, and the sausage. Thank you.